We're at the St. Louis Artists Guild presenting Portfolio Gallery's annual All Colors exhibit. We want to, through this exhibit, present art that is thought-provoking and allows for you to build and help us help others. It's an annual exhibit that we present each year designed to raise funds so that we as a not-for-profit arts organization can then give that back to small not-for-profit arts organizations, community-based organizations, and student artists of all disciplines. This show is sponsored by Midwest Regional Bank, Midwest Bank Centers, and in a collaboration with the St. Louis Metropolitan Urban League.
The Artists Guild have been very gracious and very supportive and very generous in housing and hosting this exhibit for the second time. This is one of the most unique and encouraging and educational exhibit that I've been involved in a long time. I think it's something that fulfills the mission of Portfolio, that is to enrich lives and to educate people and to bring artists, especially those artists who may not be known, to the St. Louis area, and to try to give people a flavor of what art is in the lives of African American people.
You get to see some of the best art in the country. Maybe we even go to the world, because we have Robert Hill, who is from a little Providence right outside Paris, France. We have Sandra Smith out of Silver Springs, Maryland. Charles Bibbs out of Riverside, California. Lonnie Powell out of Lee's Summit, Missouri. There are artists from all around places that you would say, wow, I never heard of Adrian Patel. I never heard of Anthony High. I never heard of Manuelita Brown. This is a place to discover artists, to add to your collection. This is the new frontier. So this exhibit runs through February 29th. You can find more information about this exhibit on the St. Louis Artists Guild website, as well as the Portfolio Gallery and Educational website.